Hey, what's up, good people? Good morning. How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Got my allergies going in my morning voice. Uh, I really sound like this, but I'm going to raise it a level so I can have some energy. Okay, good people. So, hey, let's just talk about what's going on with stocks and real briefly, and then I'm going to talk about what's going on with crypto, actually, what I'm doing with crypto, and how we discussed it yesterday. Myself, Stock Josh, Stock Mo, and Keenan Grace did a live. I'm going to leave a link here at the end. I suggest everyone go and watch that. Hey, remember, anything I suggest, anything I say is not a suggestion to buy, hold, or sell. Please do not fall for spam in the comments section. Never send money. Never send money to anybody on any page, on any social media, even if they DM you direct message and say they're me. It's a lie. It's a scam. Don't do it. Okay, the Bank of England interest rate hikes. They raised their interest rate hikes again as inflation heads towards 11%. And a lot of people think that's what's crashing the market. That's not what's crashing the market, good people. I stated it yesterday that every time we have these interest rate hikes from the Fed, the market does not know how to react. So the market on Tuesday overreacted with the sell off. Okay. And then the market on yesterday, after Fed Chair Jerome Powell spoke and said that he was going 75 basis points, which the market needed a minimum of. After he said that, the market turned green because people were waiting on him to do the right thing. The market was waiting on Jerome Powell to do the right thing. And I think that we need to go 2 months of 75 and and then see how the market is doing, and then maybe he can taper off to 2 months of 50. At a bare minimum, he may need to go 3 months of 75. But I understand that he cannot slam on the brakes too fast. If you've ever landed in Chicago at Midway Airport, it's one of the shortest runways. And I don't care who's flying the plane, soon as they land, they have to slam on brakes, and it's a rough landing. We will have a rough landing either way it goes. The Fed can't control that right now because he let inflation get so far out of control. Did he start the inflation? No, it was started by COVID. But he gaslighted it by quantitative easing, pumping more money into the market, and all of with the bonds and with all of the free money that he gave everybody, right? And then he kept saying transitory, transitory. So here we are with highest inflation in over 40 years. Now he's got to combat that. So here we are. So what I said yesterday, and I was going to play that, but I'm not just going to play you. You can go watch the videos. I made 3 yesterday. I was working hard. But what I said was that the market was going to react green. It did. And when he released the day before the numbers, he leaked it to the media. So they already knew it was 75 basis points, right? Wall Street Journal. Then he came out. Before he comes out, then it's an official release. CNBC, Fox News, Fox Business, Yahoo Finance, they all had the numbers before he spoke, right? The market reacted again. Then he spoke. The market reacted again. Then he took questions. The market reacted again, adding on another 200 points onto the Dow, right? But it's what I said that happens afterwards. What happens afterwards is the market really hasn't digested the news. And I said on yesterday that today will be red and Friday could be red. So now we could open red and it could go green. But I doubt it on this Thursday that it will go green. It will probably be flat to red. And now the worst thing that could happen if we have a state by state Fed running their mouth, being even more hawkish than Jerome Powell, that will cause the market to go down on a Friday on a 3-day weekend, because Monday the market is closed. So if you're a Fed, if you're a state by state Fed, please do us all a favor and shut up. All right. Okay. So now let's talk about crypto right quick. You know what? I'm going to play this. Josh had charted yesterday when we had our live yesterday. It was really cool. And Josh Stocks with Josh talked about levels of support with crypto. I want you guys to hear this and then we'll discuss it. Give us 3 levels of support that crypto could come down to.
All right, so we're sitting at a level of support right now. That's between the 20,000 and 22,000. I see the next level of support actually around 16,750. Some people are calling it down to this other peak around the 14,000 mark. I'm going to suggest to you that there is a level of support beneath the one that we're at now that would be around 16,700. We have 1, 2, 3 touches there. So that's quite a bit of support. Now, if we did break that, then yes, I'm not making strong predictions for everybody. I personally believe that when in the past we hit this 200-day weekly moving average, we broke through it temporarily, but we came back above it and we never went below it again. We've broke through it right now. It is very possible that we will come back up and move along with it. If we don't and we break down, our next area of support in my mind would be the 16,700.
All righty. Okay, so you guys heard that from Josh. I got that camera off. You guys heard that from Josh. He says that it could come down to the 16. I said that yesterday. The levels of support was 20, 16, or 17, I said, and then it could come down as low as 10. So with all crypto, right? We're just using Bitcoin as the NASDAQ, all right, or the Dow. With all crypto, if you think that that crypto is coming down, so if Bitcoin comes down, so goes the altcoins. If the Dow tanks, so does crypto more. Whatever the market does, crypto does it more. It's just that simple. And yes, a lot of people say we're in a crypto winter. And I can tell you that if you are in a position with any of your coins and they're down by 90%, you're in a crypto winter, okay? Whether it's official or not. There's a lot to fall. There's a lot of room to fall. And I'm going to continue to say that the S&P could, during the recession, fall another 20% from where it is now. And I'm also going to tell you that crypto could fall. So what I've done is I've converted my bigger coins, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum, to USD. So it's dollar for dollar, so it will not fall. Now, but I'm also dollar cost averaging at very small amounts into other cryptos, and I'm only buying major cryptos, like Ethereum. Though I have a lot of Ethereum at a higher price that I parked it in USD, so it won't lose any value. But I'm dollar cost averaging in at these lower prices. And if it falls lower, then where I think we are, in a absolute crypto winter, which is going to be lower than it is now, I believe it could reach, it could break under the 16,000. And if it comes down to 10, then I'm going to DCA even heavier. I'm going to use this time to accumulate, all right, until crypto winter is over, right? And so I'm just stretching my money out and buying small portions. But everything that I bought at a higher dollar amount, I got it parked right now. You can do whatever you think is best for you. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. And I wanted to show you these levels of support. And I'm in this long term, good people. I believe in cryptocurrency. I believe in Bitcoin. I believe that after this is all said and done, including when the feds get through trying to regulate it, whatever is going to happen. And I'll say this, I hope they do finish all of this regulation during crypto winter. You don't want it when the next bull run happens. You want all this regulation to be over during the crypto winter. And I hope they do it before crypto winter bottoms out. Get it all out of the way because crypto is here to stay. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average long term because I'm an investor. So if you don't have 5 years minimum to invest in crypto, I don't know what to tell you. But I'm telling you, that's what I'm doing. All right, good people? Hey, make sure you check out the links below. Webull, 1 penny. You're going to get free stock worth up to thousands of dollars, okay? Webull has fractional shares now. I mean, where you can put $5. You can do the $5 a day challenge now with Webull, okay? We're going to be covering that later. And then, of course, Mumu, which is also beneath. And you can deposit a penny, but you can deposit up to $2,000, and they're going to give you 11 free stock, 1 free share of Lucid, worth all of it will be worth up to $25,000 is what you could get. But either way it goes, you're going to get free stock. All right, good people, let's take advantage of that, and we will see you later today. Live, love, laugh, and learn, and I hope I get my voice back. Peace.